Well, that didn't last long. My grapple just quit. All right, here's what we got. We got a new plug connector. All right, and I got to crimp the wires in here and then jam these in and put this cap back on right here. So it'll be like this one. Well, that didn't last long. My grapple just quit. Got hung up on a branch down here and busted one of the electronic wires right here. Busted these wires right here. I don't know if I can catch them. I got it all kind of taped off, but what a shame. Let's see if I can get that back together, maybe. I don't have tools really in here yet, except for a couple of, like a hammer and bigger things. Well, I'm dead for now. Busted that wire out there. I don't have a toolkit yet. I've got some basic tools for like bigger equipment in that, but I don't even think I got tape. So I'll run back to the truck and see if I can't reconnect this. It'll open, a jaw will open, but it won't close. But there's two wires clipped down there. Ain't one thing, it's another. So there's the problem. Actually, this is the problem right here. There's no wire for me to tie onto. So here's the plug, and there's the two ripped wires. But I got nothing to bite here coming out of this plug. You know, if this was, you know, even 3/4 of an inch, I could at least make it work for today. Maybe not. See how far I can push. Of course, I picked one of the biggest piles. All right, so I caught one of the stobs and I tore off them electronic wires on the hydraulic block that controls the front third function, you know, the loader. So I can't close the grapple anymore. I thought, well, at least, I mean, I just got here and got started. Let me see if I can push some of these piles off to at least kind of get some kind of productivity. Well, let's see how this works, and then we'll get into trying to get this thing repaired. Yeah, I'll run back to the truck, see if I can temporarily get that patch going. Although this is a pretty good sized pile right here. Come on, a little farther. Not half bad. Ooh. Well, maybe I'll see if I can't push the rest. Oh, it's really slick. Come on, get off of there. Yeah, I'll see if I can fix it up. Might be done for today. And I only got about 6 or 8 piles left. Maybe I'll try pushing some of them. All right, so I ran to a little tractor in Harrisburg. I got some parts. I'll show you this stuff. I'm going to try to repair it instead of buying that harness. Who knows? It's probably 400 bucks. So this will be one of my first repairs on something that small, that electronic and small. I don't think I'm going to solder it. I'm going to try and use the crimping connectors they gave me. So we'll see how it's going to go. All right, here's what we got. We got a new plug connector. All right, and I got to crimp the wires in here and then jam these in and put this cap back on right here. So it'll be like this one. Connect the new wires and try to get it put back together. There ain't much here, but I think it's enough if I pull this apart, so we'll see. All right, I got this red and green stripped. Don't have much wire there to play with at all, but I think it's going to be enough. And then I'm going to, once I get it back up and running, I'm going to cover this up with some Gorilla Tape and maybe even some good gnarly wrap. Should have some of that left. Okay, it's on there. I looks like I lost some of this wire screen. Dang it, more. Ain't much. Might have to strip that the old-fashioned way. Oh, wise guy. No, we gotta peel back a little more of this cover here. Come on, get in there. I don't know why this one's being stubborn. There we go. Okay, let's see here, I gotta make sure I get this right, the red one. This plugs in like this, so the red one's on the right, green one's on the left as I'm looking at it, so it has to go like this. So that goes like that. One. Like that. And then he says once you jam these in, they don't come out. So, green one goes in this one. Wait a minute. Uh-oh, what happened here? Were these in that way? Oh boy. What did I do here? Oh, there they are. Okay, I get it. There's this rubber thing there. So the green one goes in there, and then they should come up through here, like so. And then this thing's gonna go in like so. They're gonna line up just right, like that. And then this should go in like that. And in theory, yeah, well, looks all right in theory. Here's locked in. Just like that. green. Fully colorblind because it's sunny out. I could see them, but if it was shady at all I would not be able to really see these red and green. And before I put it together I'm going to test it. Test the loader. This should go in here. Should go just like that. Okay, let's see. The jaw didn't want to close. You be quiet. Okay, there's the open. Oh, there's the close. Open, close, both of them, and they're both working. All right, let's go close it all up. Not bad. Okay, so the fix worked. I'm gonna close all this stuff up, get it all taped back down, tuck it in nice, probably put some gnarly wrap around here and some Gorilla tape. And the same thing right here, I'll probably try and get a little bit of protection on that one. But back in business. This was meant to be a shrink fitting or not. I'm kind of making it one. Just because it's plasticky rubber. Keep one of these little torches in my truck. Not bad. If I don't melt no one here, I'll be in good shape. That'll just help waterproof it. Not like I'd ever put my tractor underwater or anything like that, you know, where these hydraulic wires are. Just saying. Okay, close it up. Okay, I got this one pretty well buttoned up. Should be pretty waterproof. Now I pulled this side out. I'm going to just beef that up with a little tape and see if I can get a wrap around this, but either way it's good. I'm going to try to protect it a little more yet. Okay, some protection is better than none. I might try to get a little more around this plug. Alright, strap this back down, tighten all this up, and we're done.